Good day everyone, I am Martin B. Mariano from BTLE IA38. So for today, we discuss ko sa inyo ang fuel system. Ito yung fuel system na diagram. So dito may mga parts siya. High pressure pump. Ito yung tinatawag na high pressure pump. Ito po yun. And then fuel temperature sensor. Ito po yun. And then fuel filter with water separator or heater. So dito sa baba, meron tayong electric field pump. Ito po yung part na yun. And then ito sa baba niya, meron tayong tank. And then ito po yun, meron tayong free filter. And then ito pong box na ito, control unit or EDC. And then dito sa side na to, engine speed. At pagkakaiba po nila, ito crank. And then ito sa baba, cam. And then dito, meron tayong other sensor. Ito, meron tayong accelerator pedal. Dito sa part nito, injector. And then meron po tayong high temperature and low temperature. And dito sa pinakataas, meron tayong rail pressure sensor. And then sa baba, common rail. So for today is, i-discuss ko po sa inyo yan. And the fuel system in an internal combustion engine is essential for storing the delivery the necessary fuel, whether the gasoline or diesel, to increase the engine runs efficiently. It can be light to the body's vascular system, compressing the key components such as the fuel tank, fuel pump, fuel lines, fuel filter, fuel injector, and carburetors. The fuel tank serves as a reservoir housing the sending unit that indicates fuel levels. Modern vehicles typically have electrical fuel pumps located in the tank, while other models may have pumps mounted on the engine or frame. Fuel lines are categorized the pressure levels with heavy weight lines handling high pressure and leather lines for low pressure areas. Fuel filter or fuel calibration is crucial for maintaining engine performance, as contaminants can clog the small openings in fuel injectors and carburetors. Fuel filter, often disposable, can be located before or after the fuel pump. Most vehicles manufactured after 1986 utilizing fuel injectors, which are electrically controlled valve and that optimize fuel delivery for better emotions and fuel economy. In contrast, carburetors mix fuel and air without electronic assistance but require more frequent maintenance. As a result, fuel injector systems have largely replaced carburetors in modern vehicles due to their efficiency and reliability. So yun po ang pagkakaintindi ko or pagkaka-research ko for our fuel system. And sana may natutunan po. Thank you for listening and have a good day.